Well, sometimes things don't work out exactly the way you were hoping that they would. And such is my lot in life today. See if we can get this put in here. And let's see if we can get it somewhat straight. Clamp it down. Okay, now we're going to move this entire thing. And I think we're going to move it over here. By the way, yes, I did get my walkway cleaned out. That's where you're going to sit right now. See if I can get this stretched up here, over here, turn down. Now then, yay rah. That is today's conundrum. In case you don't know what that is, that's a tripod mount for a cell phone camera. And I have several of those, but I need that one working. Otherwise, I got to keep transferring some of the other ones I've got to other places. So, this decided to break. And I got to figure out now how I can set this up to where everything will be the direction it needs to be. Okay, don't lose that. Oh, I think if I can get some glue on there now, I think that'll work. I don't know how long it'll take for that to set up to where it's usable, but I'm going to guess that it doesn't become usable tonight. Yeah, let's see if I can do this. Yep. And you all recognize that product. For the most part, that's a good little product. And if it works for me here in this time, I'm going to be happy, happy, happy. Now, the nice thing about how this thing broke is that in breaking, it did not break in such a way that whatever splint I get put on there will get in the way of the working of the mount. So, I also picked up this, just in case that doesn't work. Got to remember what I did with that knife. I took a knife out here the other day. There it is, right there. Should have put that up, I guess. This is always interesting. My eyes are getting bad now that I sometimes struggle seeing where these quick seal adhesive jobbers are supposed to go. This is supposed to open up real nicely, real easily. So much for nicely and easily. The bad part about this is I'm not sure how far I can go, move that far, would still be in the camera range. Yeah, I love anti-theft stuff. In one way, I feel sorry for any retailer because they really gotta work on keeping things on their shelves before they're bought. More and more things seem to walk before they get through the cash register. And so they've got to do all sorts of things to keep people from pilfering the entire setup. Well, in case this doesn't work, this should. And we'll see how that goes. And got it there so far. Came right out. Okay. Now then, how do you adjust the thickness on here? This is interesting in that you can mount that to your tripod here and have all your swivel functions, or you can mount it to your tripod directly and have a solid mount if you need it. But that's not my question. My question is, how do I make that clamp work? Is there a latch on this end? Aha! Okay, does my cell phone fit in there? I don't think it does. Unless, let's try something here. Okay, so it will work that way and then that way. And of course, if you know anything at all about the way these things work, I got my camera in there upside down. I'll need to turn that around so that the cameras are actually facing out. Okay. I don't know if I like that or not, but I think it's going to be functional. Why is this pad just sitting here? Do I got an extra pad? I may have an extra pad here. Now, let's see if this lets me get into the phone while it's in the mount. Not easily. Well, that doesn't work quite as nicely as I was hoping it would. But yeah, what you're seeing there is how I take videos. Both of these are iPhone 15s. The one I'm shooting the video with is, as far as camera or phone, identical to this. It's got a different case, but the camera itself is identical. So I can make that work. However, it's not going to be easy, which makes me hope that that one works quite well, is what I'm hoping. Don't know if that's what I'm going to get or not, but we're about to find out. Well, I got one more thing to bring out, but I got a puppy to attend to. Hang on just a second. Okay. My middle name is Murphy. See, I left that right on there. Oh, okay, I guess I got it to come up that way. Let's set that over there. Now then, how about the spot where it was? You gotta be able to work around that, because I also bought this little thing. And I'm hoping that helps take care of some of my sound issues as I do these recordings. This is a wireless mic for a phone. And on the way home, I got thinking about something, and I'm not sure this is going to work, but let's find out. This is one of those Wally World specials. I'm not expecting really great quality off of it, but if I can make it work, why not? Okay, Bauer by brand. Okay, someplace here there's supposed to be something that plugs into the bottom of my phone. that what this is? Oh, and hey, I'm in good shape. That is. Now, does it have a battery tester on it? It's got a charge cord. The receiver evidently takes power from here. And that's a charge cord. Okay, accessory. I got to unlock the phone in order to make that, let that work. And, oh, hey. So, is there anything here that tells me that this is on? I suppose maybe I should look at the booklet, huh? Booklet. Number 1 is the transmitter. Okay, that makes sense. USB 2, number 2 is the receiver. Yeah, that makes sense. Number 3 is the charging port. Number 4 is the charging cable. Number 5 is the lavalier clip. Yep. 6 is USB-C connectivity. What's number 6? Okay, that's on the receiver. Okay, so that I can plug directly into my iPhone 15. Number 7 is the power button, and number 8 is the indicator light, and that's what I'm looking for. And I'm thinking, okay, so that's my indicator light here, just above this thing. Yeah, they shipped it dead. Okay, well, I'm going to take this in and plug it in, and we'll come back to that. And it's getting late enough in the evening. If you saw my cell phone there, it's after 7 o'clock in the evening here already. I probably need to upload this and get today's video up. So we'll see how we do on this and report back probably on tomorrow's video, because I've got a video tomorrow going up in regard to the mower, and I started it and then needed some equipment, and this was my answer for getting the equipment. So away we go. Hey, we're having fun. Hope you are too. Have a great day at work tomorrow. First day back. Happy Monday. Well, hope you had a good Sunday. Bye-bye.